Haunting Wheels Jungle Expedition. Once upon a time, in a small town nestled near the edge of a dense, mysterious jungle, lived 4 adventurous kids named Emma, Jake, Lily, and Noah. The inseparable quartet loved exploring the outskirts of their town, and their favorite mode of transportation was their trusty bicycles.
One sunny weekend, the kids
Decided to embark on a thrilling jungle expedition. They pedaled eagerly along the winding trails, their laughter echoing through the trees. As they ventured deeper, the foliage grew denser, and the air became heavy with an eerie silence. Suddenly, a peculiar fog enveloped the path, making it difficult for the kids to see. Undeterred, they continued, the crunching of leaves beneath their tires the only sound breaking the silence. The jungle seemed to come alive with strange whispers and rustling leaves, sending shivers down their spines.
As they cycled further, the dense canopy above blocked out the sunlight, casting an ominous shadow over their path. The kids felt a chill in the air, and the atmosphere became charged with an otherworldly energy. Unbeknownst to them, the jungle held secrets that were about to unfold. The first mysterious encounter occurred when they stumbled upon an ancient, abandoned bicycle covered in vines. Its tires creaked as if it had been waiting for someone to find it. The discovery left the kids puzzled, but their curiosity propelled them forward. Deeper into the jungle, strange symbols appeared on the trees, glowing faintly in the dim light. The air became thick with an unsettling presence, and shadows danced eerily around them. The kids started to sense that they were not alone. As night fell, the once friendly jungle transformed into a haunting labyrinth. The kids, now lost and scared, heard distant whispers and fleeting glimpses of ghostly figures among the trees. The ancient bicycle they found earlier seemed to guide them deeper into the heart of the jungle, its ghostly glow leading the way. Suddenly, a clearing emerged, revealing an ancient temple covered in vines and moss. The kids cautiously entered, drawn by an otherworldly force. Inside, they discovered a dusty book that told the tale of a long-lost civilization cursed by an ancient spirit, forever bound to the jungle. The kids realized they had unwittingly unleashed the spirit by finding the mysterious bicycle. The jungle came alive with haunting laughter as the ghostly figures surrounded them. Terrified, the kids raced back to their bicycles, the eerie glow guiding them through the maze of trees. As they pedaled furiously, the jungle seemed to come alive with angry spirits. The fog thickened, making it nearly impossible to navigate. The ghostly figures pursued them relentlessly, their chilling whispers echoing through the night. Just as it seemed all hope was lost, the kids burst through the jungle's edge, leaving the haunting darkness behind. The fog lifted, and the jungle fell silent once more. The ancient bicycle, now free of its curse, disappeared into the shadows. The 4 friends, shaken but alive, vowed never to speak of the haunted jungle again. As they pedaled back to town, they couldn't shake the feeling that the spirits still lingered in the shadows, watching and waiting for the next unsuspecting adventurers to enter their domain. And so, the legend of the haunted wheels lived on, a cautionary tale for those who dared to venture into the heart of the mysterious jungle. Little did they know that the ancient spirits had returned to their slumber, leaving the jungle in an uneasy peace until the next curious souls dared to explore its depths.